Question 13. The right angle triangle in the diagram has shown that sine x is equal to 2 over root 11 and x lies between 0 and pi over 4. So we're asked to find the exact values of sine 2x. So we're already told that sine x is equal to 2 over root 11, and we're asked to find sine 2x. So we're going to need our formulas, our trigonometric formulas. So sine 2x we know is equal to sine 2x equals to 2 sine x cos x. Now we don't have cos x, so what we're going to do is we're going to figure it out. So we know that's root 11, you know that's 2, so what could this be? Well, it's just Pythagoras. So it's going to be root 11 squared minus 2 squared for this side here. So 11 minus 4 is going to be 7 and root 7. So this side here is root 7. So what does that mean cos x is going to be? Well, cos is just adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's just going to be cos x is just going to be equal to root 7 over root 11. So now we can just substitute all these values back in. So sine 2x is equal to 2 times 2 over root 11 times by root 7 over root 11. So what does that get us? Well, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times root 7 is just 4 root 7. And then root 11 times root 11 is just going to be 11. So that's our final answer. That's our final answer there. Okay, so where'd you get the marks from? Well, you get a mark for finding cos x, then you get a mark for substituting them into the right equation, then you get a mark for your final answer. So part 2, find cos 2x. So this is going to be the same as before. You'll look for an expression for cos squared x and cos 2x even, and you can use any one of these, but I'm just going to use the top one. So cos 2x is equal to cos squared x plus, minus even, minus sine squared x. And we're just going to substitute back in our values that we already have. So that's going to be equal to root 7 over root 11 squared minus and 2 over root 11 squared. So that just becomes 7 minus 4 all over, this is all squared, just to make that clear. And 11 squared times 11 squared, common base, so that's just going to be 11. So our final answer is 3 over 11. Okay, and you just get your 1 mark for getting the correct answer. Part B, by expressing sine 3x as sine 2x plus x, find the exact value of sine 3x. So we're saying sine 3x is equal to sine 2x plus x. I'm going to have to go back to our equations again. So sine a plus b equals sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So what's this going to look like? Okay, so it's going to look like this. Sine 2x times cos x plus cos 2x sine x. And we have all this information from the previous part of the question, so all we need to do now is sub it in and simplify it. So sine 2x is 4 root 7 over 11, cos x is root 7 over 11, cos 2x is 3 over 11, root 11 even, and sine x is just 2 over root 11. So what does this equal? So equal 4 times 4 root 7 times root 7. The root 7's just become 7, so that becomes 4 times 7 all over 11 root 11 plus 3 times 2 is 6 all over 11 root 11. 4 times 7 is 28 equals 28 over 11 root 11 plus 6 over 11 root 11. As that equals to 28 plus 6 is 34 over 11 root 11. And that's it. That's your final answer there. So where'd you get the marks from? Well, you get 1 mark for expanding the expression correctly, and then you get another mark for substituting your values, and then you get 1 other mark for your final answer.